Understanding Umoja, Unity, a guide to English language learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're exploring a fascinating phrase, Umoja, Unity. This phrase is not just a combination of words, it's a concept rich in cultural and linguistic significance. Let's dive into its meaning and usage to enhance your English language skills and cultural understanding. Umoja is a Swahili word meaning unity. In English, the word unity signifies the state of being united or joined as a whole. It's often used to describe a sense of togetherness or harmony among people, regardless of their differences. Umoja is not just a word but a principle. It's widely recognized as the first principle of Kwanzaa, an African-American celebration of African heritage and culture. The emphasis is on the importance of togetherness for the family and the community. Umoja underlines the strength in numbers and the need for collective action and responsibility. While umoja is a Swahili word, its use in English conversations, especially in multicultural settings, symbolizes a deep respect for diversity and unity. It's a powerful word to use when discussing topics like community building, teamwork, and social harmony. 1. During the community meeting, the leader emphasized the importance of umoja to overcome challenges. 2. The team's success was a direct result of their umoja and collective efforts. I hope this video has helped you understand the rich meaning and usage of umoja, unity. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and cultures they represent. Keep exploring and embracing new concepts, and you'll find your language skills and cultural understanding growing every day. Until next time, keep learning and stay united.